Welcome back to Economics Destination. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial topic in agricultural policy, the Price Deficiency Payment Scheme, or PDPS, and how it compares to the Minimum Support Price, or MSP. We'll explore the benefits, challenges, and potential impact of implementing PDPS on a national scale in India. Let's get started. The Price Deficiency Payment Scheme, or PDPS, is a mechanism where the government pays farmers the difference between the market price and a predetermined threshold price for their produce. This ensures that farmers receive a fair income without the government having to procure and store large quantities of agricultural produce. On the other hand, the Minimum Support Price, or MSP, is a form of market intervention by the government to ensure agricultural producers against any sharp fall in farm prices. The government announces MSPs for certain crops before the sowing season, and if the market price falls below this level, the government buys the produce at the MSP. Now, let's compare PDPS and MSP. In terms of implementation and cost, MSP involves significant logistical and financial costs. For example, in 2020 to 2021, the Food Corporation of India, FCI, spent around 1.84 lakh crore rupees on procurement and storage. PDPS, however, reduces the need for large-scale procurement and storage, potentially lowering the fiscal burden on the government. When it comes to market distortion, MSP often leads to overproduction of certain crops like wheat and rice and underproduction of others. This can result in imbalanced crop patterns and strain on water resources. PDPS encourages farmers to respond to market signals and diversify their crops based on demand, leading to more balanced agricultural production. Regarding farmer income stability, MSP provides a guaranteed price, ensuring income stability for farmers. However, it benefits only those who can sell their produce to the government, often leaving out small and marginal farmers. PDPS can potentially benefit a larger number of farmers as it is based on market prices and does not require physical procurement. Let's discuss the economic implications of PDPS in India. By reducing the need for large-scale procurement and storage, PDPS can lead to significant fiscal savings. For instance, if implemented nationally, it could save the government a substantial portion of the 1.84 lakh crore spent on MSP operations. PDPS can enhance market efficiency by allowing prices to be determined by supply and demand dynamics. This can lead to better resource allocation and reduce wastage associated with overproduction and storage. Encouraging farmers to grow a variety of crops based on market demand can lead to more sustainable agricultural practices and better use of natural resources. However, implementing PDPS at a national scale presents several challenges. Administrative and logistical challenges include ensuring accurate and timely data on market prices and efficiently disbursing payments to millions of farmers. Financially, while PDPS can reduce costs compared to MSP, it still requires significant budget allocation. Over the long term, the financial burden of compensating farmers for price differences could become substantial, especially during periods of low market prices. Market dynamics pose another challenge. Agricultural markets are inherently volatile, and sudden drops in market prices can lead to large payouts, straining government finances. There's also a risk of market manipulation where traders might artificially lower prices to benefit from the scheme. Farmer awareness and participation are crucial. Ensuring that all farmers are aware of the scheme and understand how to benefit from it requires extensive outreach and education efforts. Robust digital infrastructure is needed to track market prices, register farmers, and disburse payments. This can be challenging in regions with limited internet connectivity and technological adoption. Effective implementation requires coordination among various government agencies and engaging with private sector players to ensure fair market practices and accurate price reporting. Let's consider Madhya Pradesh's Bhavantar Bhugtan Yojana, a form of PDPS. The scheme faced several challenges, including delays in payments and issues with accurate price reporting. These challenges highlight the importance of robust administrative mechanisms and transparent processes. In conclusion, while both MSP and PDPS have their merits, PDPS offers a more market-oriented approach that can potentially reduce fiscal burdens, encourage crop diversification, and benefit a larger number of farmers. However, successful implementation would require addressing administrative challenges and ensuring timely payments to farmers. That's all for today's deep dive into PDPS and MSP. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Economics Destination for more valuable content. See